Kia has done a remarkable job of packing style and features into the compact footprint of its Sportage SUV. Always a good value for the money, the Sportage received a full redesign in 2023 that made it one of the most distinctive-looking SUVs on the road. Available in front or all-wheel drive, the Sportage uses a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine. Kia also offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions, which are reviewed separately. Despite its recent redesign, we expect Kia to update the Sportage's styling again for 2025, in line with their typical product cycle, though other changes may be limited to trim updates and a reshuffling of standard and optional features. From its edgy, futuristic styling to its long list of standard and available features, there's a lot to like about the Sportage. However, its underpowered and relatively inefficient engine is a significant drawback, producing only 187 horsepower from its 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine. The Sportage can feel sluggish, especially when loaded with passengers and cargo. The Sportage is packed with technology, including standard Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB ports. Higher trims offer dual 12.3-inch displays for the instrument cluster, an infotainment system, a wireless charging pad, and advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring. The Smart Park feature is a nifty addition, allowing the car to park itself with just the key fob. Storage is another strong point, with 39.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row and 74.1 cubic feet with the seats folded. Interior storage is well designed, with clever features like retractable cup holders and a spacious center console bin. The Sportage can tow up to 2,500 pounds, which is average for a small SUV. Fuel economy is where the Sportage could improve. The all-wheel drive Sportage X Pro, equipped with all-terrain tires, achieves an EPA-estimated 26 mpg combined. While not the most efficient in its class, it meets its estimates in real-world driving,